Welcome to this journey, an exploration into the depths of your being, where the mind quiets and the heart's open. In a world that often feels chaotic and full of distractions, it's easy to forget that true peace and enlightenment lies within. But today, you are here, and that means something. You've taken a step, whether consciously or not, towards awakening something deep inside of you. Maybe you've been searching for answers, or perhaps you feel a pull towards something greater. Whatever's brought you here to this video, I need you to trust that you're exactly where you need to be. In this space, there is no rush, no goal to reach. There's only experience of being, right here, right now. So let's begin. Find a comfortable position, relax your body, allow your mind to slow down. Now close your eyes, breathe deeply, and for a moment, let the world around you fade. Feel the air filling your lungs. Feel your heartbeat steady and calm. In this moment, you are stepping into the vast space of your consciousness, a place untouched by time and free from distractions. This is where true enlightenment begins. We spend so much of our lives in a state of doing, working, striving, thinking, always chasing and always seeking. But have you ever wondered what would happen if you stopped chasing? If you simply surrendered to the present moment? It is already within you, waiting to be uncovered, like hidden treasure beneath the surface. Right now, listen to the silence within. Behind every thought, every emotion, there is a stillness. That stillness is you. It's the essence of who you truly are, unburdened by expectation, free from the stories we tell ourselves. Allow yourself to sink deeper into this awareness. Let go of the mind's need to understand, analyze, or control. Simply just be. Notice the space between your thoughts, the gap, the emptiness. This space is pure awareness. And in this awareness, there is no past, no future, no identity, only the infinite now. You are not the labels you've been given. You are not the roles you play in this world. You are not your body, nor mind. You are just consciousness itself, a vast, limitless presence experiencing this human life as a spiritual being. The path to enlightenment isn't about something more. It's about becoming something less. Less attachment to the ego, less entanglement with fear, doubt, and illusion. As you release these layers, you step into the truth of your existence. The truth that you are connected to everything, and everything is connected to you. You are not separate. You are just one with the universe, one with the source of all creation. Feel the weight of the world dissolve. Let go of the need to control your journey. The universe is already guiding you, aligning you with the wisdom you need at this very moment. Your mind may try to resist this, but enlightenment isn't found in thinking, it's found in being. Be here now, rest in the vastness of your awareness. With each breath, feel yourself expanding beyond the boundaries of the body, beyond the limitations of thoughts. You are boundless, eternal. Enlightenment is not something distant or unattainable. It is here, in the stillness, in the presence you feel right now. It is the realization that you are already whole, already free. Trust in this moment. Let it be your guide. And when you're ready to open your eyes, return to the world, but carry this stillness with you. Let it remind you that enlightenment is always within reach, waiting to be remembered, because it can easily be forgotten. But the more you remember truly.